Scratches there. And we got a glove compartment here, cigarette lighter. You gotta hold it in, let it go. A couple compartments here, another one there. Starts. Gotta pull the brake. I got it up on the center stand, but that's the noise. It's got a knock. I'm pretty sure it's the crank bearing. It's in there. The whole thing would have to come down. You know, being push and accelerate. Thing's a rocket. The gauges are off a little bit. The miles per hour is off by about 5. The temperature gauge should be in the middle. It's over to the right a little bit because I took them all off to clean them. And when I put the needles back on, I didn't line them up perfectly. It's no big deal. But that's the noise. Yeah, it's a knock. And gas goes in there. And that's about it. Runs pretty damn good. It's very fast. Things are rocket. And that's it. I want to get something bigger. Alrighty, take care.